Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will talk about pack absolute basic makeup brushes. So before this I used the Puma Stone Ka 24 set wala brush, and then I thought to use something really good. I stumbled upon pack makeup brushes that time when both YouTube as well as Instagram beauty bloggers were raving about it. But for me it was a little bit on the expensive side and I couldn't spend on individual brushes, and I needed to look for something compact brush set which will fulfill my purpose. And then I stumbled upon this. It has 14 brushes and it retailed around 4950. I got it from Nykaa sale, and that time they gave me a pack lipstick absolutely free with it, which I really liked, and thanks for that. So we will just see the brushes in detail. Before I get to the video, if you're new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. That's it, let's get going. Okay, so this is the outer box that it comes on. I know it looks like a clock, and then when you just open it, you get a bag inside it. So this is like a sling kind of bag, and inside the bag, inside the bag there are all the brushes. I'll show the brushes individually. And so here we have the first brush. This is the 01 wala brush, which I feel is a powder brush, or you can use it for a blush brush as well. Next we have AB102. This brush, it's a powder brush and you can just put literally any powder on your face with it. Next we have AB03, this one. This is a foundation brush. Then we have AB04, this one. This is a contour brush. As you can see, it has a slant over it. And next AB05, we have this one. It's a concealer brush. As you can see, it's a flat top. Next, the 06, we have this one. It is a small powder brush meant to highlight the inner corner of your eyes, or if you don't want to go that extreme, so mainly the cheekbones and this bridge of the nose. It's a highlighter brush. As you can see, it's a 01 brush. I think it also fulfills kind of similar purposes, and it can be used for highlighting, or even if you want to contour your nose, then because with a big brush I think contouring the nose is a little bit problematic, so I think it will contour the nose better. Next we have eyeshadow brushes. There's 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are all eyeshadow brushes. I'll show you. This one is as you can see, this will help the blending. It's a small one. It's a blending big brush. It's a fluffy brush, and this is a smaller one, like if you want to go for something precision or cut the crease, you can use it. And another small one just to blend your eyeshadow or just pick up a little bit. And then we have this angular brush, which we can use for getting the winged eyeliners as well as just giving a precision to the eyeshadows. And next we have the small brushes. It's the 13th brush, and we can use for putting eyeliner. And the last one we have is the 14th one. It is for eyebrows. As you can see, it's a both-way brush. It's a spoolie just to do the eyebrows and then to draw it. So that's it here, 14 brushes. I think the brushes just fulfill all the purposes for your face, for your eyes and everything, and it's just a compact brush set. So I really like it, and I just love the quality also. I haven't used it till now because it just came and then I'm just making this video. So I haven't used it till now, but I'll just use in my future tutorial videos. But this seemed really good and it's a great deal. Like for 5k getting such good quality brushes, 14 in number, I just love it. So that's all for today. If you just like this brush set, and let me know or your reviews on it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to know something, put your valuable comments. I need every comment and just reply to that as well. But for today, subscribe to my channel please, and stay good, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.